In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to turn off iPhone may be too close. This reduces interruptions, allowing more comfortable viewing experience, especially for those who prefer holding their devices closer for better visibility. However, disabling this feature may also lead to less awareness of proper screen distance. Now to do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, you will want to head to screen time. Onto this option of screen distance, make sure to disable this option. But maintaining a balance between convenience and eye health is crucial. So if you choose to turn it off, consider finding alternative ways to monitor your screen time and protect your eyesight. That's how easy it is to turn off iPhone may be too close. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.